Hey, Vanilla ERP, ever thought of warehouse optimization?
Warehouse optimization? It's like trying to declutter a chaos-filled drawer.
What about inventory tracking? You can, handle it.
I can, but hey, you wield it like Harry Potter with a wand.
Magician? More like a juggler keeping flaming torches in the air.
Seriously though, BatchMaster, you're an all-in-one package with a killer WMS solution.
You're too kind.
Counting inventory feels like searching for a needle in a haystack for me. But you're right on the money, always.
I guess numbers and I are just best buds.
I struggle with picking, packing, shipping, and inventory placement. And you've aced it all.
Oh, come on, you're making me blush.
Dockside madness hurts me. But you, my friend, bring zen to your docks with appointments, schedules, and arrivals.
Enough with the compliments, please.
I could go on and on and on.
Buddy, are you okay in there?
I'm fine. Just a little boxed in.